So yeah, the Alero is still hard to see overall. Through the night, we still haven't gotten the home lights fixed yet on the outside, so yeah, but we could still start her up, so let's go ahead and do that. So, go ahead and get into the car, and then go ahead, put the keys in the ignition, turns in the run position. Alright, and listen to her start up. Let's do it. Oh yeah, she had another hard start today. But yeah, everything still seems to be on as yesterday. The low tire pressure, change oil, and the security light isn't on anymore. But the fuel gauge is about to say that it's out again. Yep, there it is. The airbag light is on again, but no security light. And the windshield wipers are on for no reason. I didn't even touch anything when that happened. The radio's on, yep, you can see that. Let's go ahead, turn it down because I don't want to run out of gas. And you can go ahead and see that the Alero does have some power steering, and yeah. The only good thing about this is that it doesn't have any manuals, it's all automatic. So, let's go ahead and show around the car again. She had another hard start, but if you listen to the mufflers and the front, you can still know that it's still alive, so past the lights, everything still works. So, that was it for the other Alero startup. Hopefully y'all guys enjoyed it.